Hi, my name's HAZIM Gaber, and today we're going to learn basic Excel formulas. So, I've got my Excel spreadsheet here, and I've got 3 columns. I've typed in some random numbers, just as an introduction. We're going to try to add these numbers up. So, how do we do that? Well, first thing we want to do is think about where we want the result of our calculation to be. So in this case, I've got column A, column B, column C, and I want to add A and B together, so I'm going to use column D. So if I go and choose cell D1 and I put my mouse up here in the formula bar, you can see we've got our cancel and our check mark and our FX button. So all we have to do to tell Excel that we are creating a formula, we want to do a calculation, is we start off with the equal sign. Because let's say I want to add A1 plus B1. So if I type that in, nothing happens. It just ends up as text. So in order for Excel to realize this is a formula, in our formula bar and or in our cell, we type equals. Now look what happened. As soon as we typed equals, Excel highlighted A1 and B1 to say, hey, I recognize what you're doing. You're trying to add these 2 cells. We press enter. Now we've got the number 57. So I can do the same thing here. I can go A2 plus B2. Hey, I got number 48. And then I can do the same thing. I can do A3 plus B3. Now I don't have to do that. I can, if I've already done one cell. Cell is pretty smart, so I can just click on my cell, and you'll see in the bottom right corner is a little square, and if I put my cursor on it, it turns into a plus. And if I click and drag that plus, I can drag it down, and Excel will automatically, if I scroll down, it will automatically learn my formula. So it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. You'll have to check each time and make sure that it did exactly what you wanted it to do. So that's how you add 2 cells together. Now if you want to add 3 cells together, I can go, so let's say A, B, and C, so I can go equal sign A1 plus B1 plus C1. So I've got 513, and again, I can drag this down. But wait, there's more. I can actually use a formula, because what if I want to add up now A to E? So it's a lot of work. Imagine if I had 100 columns. So if I went A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1, it's a lot of work. So I can actually type the word sum. And as soon as I type the word sum, as soon as you type in a formula, Excel gives you, hey, here's a tip. So I can do A1, comma, B1. So now, since this is a formula, as you can see, Excel is bolding the next step. So it's just saying, hey, list all the cells you want to add with commas. But there's another trick here. So I can go, if I want to select a range of cells, I can choose a colon, and then I can just go E1. And so now Excel will add up all of the cells from A1 to E1, all 5 of them. Just like that. And again, I can drag this down, and now I can automatically have my calculation. But wait, there's more, because I can do the same thing. I can add up a column. So I can go sum A1 to A17. And now I've got a range of columns. So Excel will add up A1 to A17 automatically. And if I drag this to the right, it will go B1 to B17, C1 to C17, etc., etc., etc. So this is a very powerful way to save time when you're doing a calculation across multiple rows or multiple columns. You want to keep that in mind. If you have any questions, please post a comment. Thank you.